Hello and welcome to another Sonicwall video tutorial. My name is MG Sriramaya, Senior Tech Support Engineer, Sonicwall. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create aggressive mode site-to-site VPN using Preshared Secret for authentication between two Sonicwall UTM appliances. Aggressive mode VPN is used when one side of a VPN tunnel has a dynamic WAN IP address. These are the steps to configure the site-to-site VPN. Create address objects for the destination networks on both Sonicwall appliances. Create a VPN policy on each Sonicwall. Initiate a ping from one Sonicwall to the other to bring the tunnel up. This network diagram shows the setup we use for this video tutorial. Here we have two networks, Site A and Site B. Let us assume Site A is located in Bangalore and Site B is located in Tempe. On Site A, we have an NSA 220 with a static WAN IP of 192.168.170.51. It has a network in the LAN zone in 192.168.168 subnet with a 24-bit net mask. On Site B, we have an NSA 240 with a dynamic WAN IP of 192.168.30.22. Being dynamic, this IP address could change periodically. It has a LAN network in the 172.27.24 subnet with a 24-bit net mask. Our objective is to set up a site-to-site VPN tunnel between these two locations to allow these networks to securely communicate with each other over the VPN tunnel. Let us first configure the Site A Sonicwall. Begin by logging into the management interface of the Sonicwall at Site A, which I have already done here. Go to the Address Objects page under Network. To create an address object for the Site B network, scroll down and click on the Add button. Under Name, enter a name for this object. Let's call it Site B Network. Set the zone assignment as VPN. For type, we select Network. Under Network, enter the LAN network ID of Site B, 172.27.24.0. Under Netmask, enter 255.255.255.0. Click on Add and then click on Close to create this object. For Site A's local network, we use the predefined address object X0 subnet. In TZ devices, this would be LAN primary subnet. Next, we create a VPN policy. Go to the VPN settings page. On this page, click on the Add button to open the VPN policy window. Here, the policy type option would be pre-selected with site-to-site. The authentication method would be set to IKE using Preshared Secret. Under Name, enter a name for this policy. We will call it VPN to Site B. Under IPsec primary gateway address, enter 0.0.0.0. This is since the Site B Sonicwall has a dynamic WAN interface IP. We leave the secondary gateway address field blank. Under Shared Secret, enter a Preshared Secret. For this tutorial, we choose a simple Preshared Secret, password 123. We must enter the same Preshared Secret when setting up the VPN policy in Site B. For local and peer IKE ID, we choose firewall identifier. The IKE ID can be a string containing both characters and numbers. For this tutorial, we set the local IKE ID as Bangalore and the peer IKE ID as Tempe. Next, click on the Network tab. For local network, we select X0 subnet. For destination network, we select the address object we created earlier, Site B network. Click on the Proposals tab. Set Exchange to Aggressive mode. You can change any of the options listed here. The proposals set here should be identical to proposals to be set in the remote firewall. For this video, we go with the default settings. On the Advanced tab, we do not change anything. Click on OK to create the VPN policy. You can see the VPN policy we just created. Next, we configure the Site B Sonicwall. I am now logged into the management interface of the NSA 240 at Site B. Go to the Address Objects page to create an address object for the Site A network. Scroll down to the Address Objects section and click on the Add button. Under Name, enter the name Site A network. Set the zone assignment as VPN. Set type as network. Under Network, enter the network ID of Site A LAN 192.168.168.0. Under Netmask, enter 255.255.255.0. Click on Add and then click on Close to create this object. For Site B's local network, we use the predefined address object X0 subnet. Next, we create the VPN policy. Go to the VPN settings page. Click on Add to open the VPN policy window. Under Name, enter the name VPN to Site A. Under IPsec Primary Gateway, enter the primary WAN interface IP of the Site A Sonicwall 192.168.170.51. Under Shared Secret, we enter the same pre-shared secret set at the Site A Sonicwall, password 123. Under Local IKE ID, select Firewall Identifier and then enter Tempe. Under Peer IKE ID, select Firewall Identifier and then enter Bangalore. Click on the Network tab. For Local Network, we select X0 subnet. For Destination Network, we select the address object we created earlier, Site A network. Click on the Proposals tab. Set Exchange to Aggressive Mode, and we keep the default settings as in the Site A Sonicwall. Now click on the Advanced tab. Here, enable the checkbox Enable Keep Alive. This will make this Sonicwall initiate the VPN tunnel. Click on OK to create the VPN policy. To begin the tunnel creation process, we must initiate traffic from this network to the other side. We do this by pinging the IP address of a host behind the Site A Sonicwall. Go to the System Diagnostics page. Under Diagnostic Tool, select Ping. Enter the IP address of a host behind the Site A Sonicwall, 192.168.168.100. You can see it says here 192.168.168.100 is alive. This means the VPN tunnel is up and traffic is passing between the sites. Let us go to the VPN settings page to confirm. You can see the green LED next to the VPN policy. This indicates the VPN tunnel is up. This concludes this video on how to create an aggressive mode site-to-site VPN using Preshared Secret. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about Dell Sonicwall security products, visit sonicwall.com. For more video tutorials, visit dellsoftware.com/support.